What's up, guys? I'm Brock James. I play drums in the band Minus out of Columbus, Ohio. I've been playing with the Collision 7A drumsticks for a few weeks now, and I love the natural finish so they don't slide around in my hands. They're super lightweight, so I can still fly around the kit, and they also reduce fatigue, and they are still super durable. These sticks here have lasted me through over a dozen rehearsals and some studio sessions, and they're still holding up great. So if you want to impact your sound as a drummer, I highly recommend the Collision Drumsticks today. Today I'm going to play a song for you off of Minus's first album, Tell Me I'll Be Fine, which is available on all streaming platforms. This song is called Are You Aware of the Power of Shadows? And maybe by the end of it, you will be. Thanks, guys.